right, we're back here with a green thread, right? So essentially what this particular phase of the project requires is that we join these chain stitches together. Remember that this was the first one we worked, and we have 20 stitches. All right, so all we're going to do is to ensure that we stay in the middle. So you're going to have like a count of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is the 10th stitch, into which I am going to slip stitch, right, and then create a single crochet stitch. Right, this is the 10th stitch. I'm going to do this for the 10th and the 11th stitch. Right, now I have 2 stitches. Now, depending on the length of the arm, the bicep that I was going for, right, I'm going to determine, that's what's going to determine how many of these chains that I put across. Now essentially I'm looking to get back this number of stitches, and like I said, I started with a 30 stitch. So since I'm looking to get 30 stitches, I'm just going to chain 1 to make room for the third. That's the 3rd stitch. That's going to represent the 3rd stitch. Now on this next one I have 26. So as usual, I'm going to divide 26 by 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Right, so my next stitch goes in here, right? So I'm going to slip stitch into that one and into the next stitch, and I'm going to chain. So altogether now I have 6 stitches, right? So I'm going to do the same for all of these stitches going around. As usual, the process is find the midpoint. This next one, this was 26, we have 32 here. So 32 divided by 2, that will be 16. Okay, so I'm going to count 16 and then put a single crochet stitch into the 16th and the 17th stitch, and then chain. So I'm going to do that for all of that, meaning always find the midpoint and then slip stitch into it, or more like create a single crochet stitch into it and into the next one until the end. So let's just go. So 16 I need here. Something you could do to help you with this progress is to insert stitch markers at these points as you go along. They make it a lot easier than what I am currently doing, which is counting the stitches individually. Alright, so we are here at the end of our sleeve. This is the sleeve, right? Look at that. We have joined all the chains together. Alright, so this is what the sleeve looks like. Now, after joining, you are now the one who will choose what you want to use as your edging point. You can just end it here, maybe just do like another row of single crochet stitches, or use picots to edge, or do whatever fancy edging that appeals to you, or you use the ribbed stitch like I did on the long sleeve on the dress that we're showing us how we made it. So let me know when you get to try this skill. I'd like to see what you came up with. So this is another beautiful way to make your sleeves really fancy, bespoke, vintage, unique, special, as you may want to call them. So shoulder point right here. This is the shoulder point, and this is where the armpit is. So if the sleeve if you were to put your arms by your side, this is the look that you will get. Let's get back to the dress. I am guessing you have subscribed to our channel so that you can be notified and click on the notification button so that you can be notified of when we have these how-to videos come your way. How did you see the video we just showed you? Would like to hear what you think in the comment section. Also, let us know what other videos you'd like to see. And it is worthy to note that this particular technique where we showed you how we made the sleeves was a special request from one of our subscribers. Thank you so much for asking for this video and giving us the opportunity to share what we do with you. So do stay encouraged, create your pieces, and you can tag me up and let me see what you created with this technique. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a beautiful, beautiful day ahead. Bye now.